Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the 9V battery item. Pick it up now and keep it in your inventory. Once done, open your item screen and make room, combine or move items so the battery fits. Make sure to inspect maps or notes for device locations while you walk. This saves backtracking. The reason is simple. Batteries are scarce and used in fixed puzzles, so prepare space and a plan before you try to power anything, then head to the nearest gadget that needs it. Next, position yourself at the device, be it a turret, radio, or electric lock, and activate the use prompt to place the battery. Remember that some props have multiple slots or require you to face a specific angle. Align correctly and confirm, otherwise it won't register. Once inserted, observe lights, listen for clicks, and watch animations to verify power. You do this because many puzzles have conditional states that only change when power is stable, so don't move away until it completes. Finally, follow the powered devices sequence. Turn dials, flip switches, or enter codes until the mechanism finishes. If the expected result doesn't occur, first remove and reinsert the battery. A misaligned insertion is the most common issue. Make sure any linked panels or conduits aren't blocked. Sometimes a secondary fuse or lever is required. If problems persist, reload to your last save rather than wasting more batteries, because conserving them prevents being stuck later in the run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.